Welcome. Today we will talk about visiting the zoo. Listen and repeat. Last weekend, I went to the zoo with my family. The weather was sunny, and it was a perfect day for a trip. When we arrived, we bought our tickets and entered the zoo. At the entrance, there was a big map showing all the animals. First, we went to see the lions. They were resting under the trees. The lion looked strong, and the cubs were playing together. After that, we saw the elephants. They were eating grass and using their trunks to drink water. The elephants were very big, and everyone was excited to watch them. Next, we visited the monkey area. The monkeys were jumping, climbing, and making funny sounds. Children laughed because the monkeys were very playful. Then we walked to the bird section. There were colorful parrots, eagles, and owls. The parrots could even say some words, which surprised us. We also saw giraffes. They were tall and beautiful, eating leaves from the trees. After that, we visited the reptile house. There were snakes, lizards, and turtles. It was a little scary, but also very interesting. In the middle of the zoo, there was a small lake with ducks and swans. We sat near the lake, ate some snacks, and enjoyed the view. There was also a children's playground where many kids were playing. Before leaving, we visited the souvenir shop. I bought a small toy elephant as a memory of the trip. The zoo visit was not only fun, but also educational. We learned about different animals and their way of life. It was a great experience for both children and adults. In the end, visiting the zoo gave us joy, knowledge, and unforgettable memories. Asterisk if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell to receive all new updates. Thank you, dear viewer.